The courtroom has been heated today. Let's get into what happened just before lunch. First thing this morning, before the jury even came in, the judge pushed back on delays in releasing texts between Jane and Cassie, rejecting the idea that First Amendment rights require the government to redact slowly. AUSA Comey said she wanted to personally review the exhibits, especially the ones about Cassie's text referencing Diddy dangling Bonna off of a balcony, which the prosecution says shows coercion and violence. Then Bonna took the stand again. Diddy's attorney, Westmoreland, tried to undermine her credibility by confronting her with drug photos that she had sent to Cassie, texts she exchanged with Diddy and Cassie after the alleged abuse, and a timeline discrepancy about whether Diddy could have physically assaulted her in LA when he was performing in New Jersey. She was also grilled about a breast groping allegation, with the defense claiming she only included that to be able to sue. Bonna pushed back, saying she didn't write that part and only described what actually happened. When shown a text from Cassie asking about sweatshirts after the balcony incident, Bonna admitted that they were trying to be cool because they were scared. The defense then argued that her injury photos had metadata from when Diddy was supposedly out of state, pushing the narrative that her story just didn't add up. But on redirect, AUSA Smizer reminded the jury that Bonna didn't write the original legal complaint. She confirmed Diddy did grope her breast, demonstrated how it happened, and said she had no doubt that he dangled her off the balcony. On recross, Nicole Westmoreland continued to accuse Bonna of lying and only caring about the money. The defense said, "It means a lot to you to become a millionaire, and soon, right?" Bonna replied that she was there for justice, and Westmoreland responded, "Meaning money, nothing further." Right before the break, the judge warned Diddy's team to stop trying to admit self-serving hearsay and to stop Diddy from making intimidating gestures towards the jurors, or he may be removed from the court altogether. The judge said he was looking at jurors and nodding vigorously. They took a short lunch before putting Jane on the stand, and her testimony was gut-wrenching. Stay tuned for the full recap with all the facts and no fluff.